right, so the next thing I want us to really discover is how does a switch change up our circuit? So the first thing I'm going to do is just build a normal, just like everyday circuit. All right, so our circuit is running. So we have something called a switch. I want you to think of this as like a light switch, a light switch. So I'm going to break this apart, and I'm going to try to add in our switch. So right now, if you notice, our switch is open. We have an open circuit. It's incomplete. The electricity cannot flow through it. So when I click on it and close the switch is closed, then what you are creating is a complete circuit. So when you close the switch, it's like turning on the lights. When you open the switch, you're turning off your lights. And I want you to think about why this could be helpful in appliances, in the lights in your house, and why would somebody want to switch in something that's electric? Okay, why would you want that? So open switch means you have an open circuit, which is incomplete. Closed switch means you have a closed circuit, okay, which is a complete circuit.